Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 351 Windsor 400 horsepower turnkey package for our customer's 1968 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We got the 351 Windsor, double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, aluminum cylinder heads are on there. We have all the roller rocker arms in there, all fully adjusted. Oil pressure extensions on there. Customer requested the braided fuel lines. We put the inline gas filter, all the AN fittings, braided lines, Edelbrock lines, oil pressure extension. Customer's running the suspension he's running requires the rear sump oil pan, so we put that on there for him. Oil stick and tubes on there. It's real nice Ford Racing valve covers with a matching Ford Racing air cleaner. Distributors all set in place. We have the Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. MSD ignition coil, aluminum intake. We got the quick fuel carburetor on there. Throttle return springs on there. Throttle cable ball and bracket. PCV valve ventilation hoses hooked up. Manifold vacuum fittings are all set for easy hookups. Customers getting, we're supplying with a T5 transmission. So we put the QuickTime bell housing on there. Proper alignment ring. Got the clutch in there. Everything's all aligned and all set. Clutch equalizer bracket for his mechanical clutch setup. High torque mini starter. This beautiful 8-rib serpentine pulley kit on here. AC compressors on there. Self-tensioning belt tensioner is real nice. Heavy duty aluminum water pump. Proper lower hose on the passenger side for the 68 Mustang. 160 amp chrome alternator, one wire hookup. We have the power steering pump on there with the reservoir. Real easy hookups right there. 45-degree thermostat housing for the 68 Mustang, and the thermostat's installed. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over an hour. All the settings will be set, timing is set, carburetor's fully adjusted. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand. Manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature. Engine will be fully dialed in, ready to go, right out of the box. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We're family owned and operated business, been in business over 50 years. So there you have it, 351 Windsor, 400 horse. Thanks for watching.